Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a link to your Instagram bio. We've heard it a million times before.
Check out my link in bio.
But how do you do it? Well, it's simple enough, so let me show you right now. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go onto your Instagram account, and then you'll see your account page here. Now I'll click on Edit Profile, and you'll see I have the option to add links. You'll see Add Links. I can hit Add External Link, and then I can put in whatever URL I want. So I'm gonna do Wikipedia.com. I can hit done, go back out, and you'll see now that I have a link in my bio to Wikipedia. I'll add another one just for fun, just to show you what it looks like. And you'll see here, I've added facebook.com with the title of Facebook. I'll hit done. Then if I click on the links here, you'll see that the 2 links are available here. And I can include up to 5 links in my Instagram bio. And hey, that works, but it doesn't really look as good as it could. And hey, if you're making a lot of different link in bio posts, then you're gonna need to have a lot of links in your bio. You can use something like Linktree if you just wanna give a list of the links that you have, or you can use something like AgoraPulse's link in bio feature, which allows you to create links for each one of your Instagram posts on your whole grid. You'll see here that I have one dedicated link for all of my link in bio things that I need. And hey, you can click on any single one of my posts. Each specific post has now its own specific link associated with it. If that sounds super cool and awesome, well, hey, don't forget to check out a free trial of AgoraPulse today in the description below, where you can have your very own link in bio with Instagram. You can track your social media ROI. You can actually see multiple different links for your Instagram profile, and it just looks really cool.